Okay, I decided to go check my hives on the 1st of January 2020. It wasn't too bad. I think there was a couple there that didn't show much for heat, but it wasn't that cold either.
10 degrees.
But I'll continue to watch them here in the next little bit. We're supposed to get a cold snap here next week. I'll take a look then and see what they're doing, and keep an eye on them. So yeah, pretty cool to see the heat that they give off and the clustering. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.
See some bees there. What do we got there? 9 degrees. What's in here? Oh, there's, what do we get up to? Those are 6 degrees, so that's pretty cool. Let's check over here now. What do we got here? Here's a hot spot. What's this looking like here? It's not too bad. Okay, this is one of my singles, and I seen 17 there earlier. Here we got up to 10 degrees. They're moving around in there okay. Where's this other entrance here? There we go. What's that look like? Oh, they're still moving around in there, which is cool. So yeah, we're still alive.